You describe an app, and Lovable builds it. A waitlist page for an AI fitness startup from a single prompt. In seconds, it plans the whole thing: the sign-up flow, the layout, the success message, then writes the code and spins up a live preview. And there it is, Pulse AI, a clean, dark, modern landing page. Honestly, it looks great. A couple of clicks, and it's published, live on the web. But here's the real question: does it actually work? The only way to know is to test it. So you point Lovable at Kane CLI, your AI testing agent. Lovable reads Kane's docs to learn how it works, then installs it automatically. No setup, no config from you. It checks the install, the version, the binary, the auth status, every prerequisite handled by the agent itself. Kane needs to sign in, so it hands you the exact command to run in your own terminal, one line. You log in, then drop your TestMu AI username and access key back into the chat. Lovable authenticates the session, and Kane CLI is ready to go. From here, Lovable can call Kane anytime. It finds a real browser, then hands Kane a test written in plain English. No scripts, no selectors. Go to the page, read the headline, type an email, click Join Waitlist, and confirm the success message. Kane CLI spins up a live Chromium session and runs it for real. And it passes. 11 steps, verified end-to-end. The page loads, the email is accepted, the button works, and the success message appears, exactly as designed. Every result lands in the TestMu AI platform, a full report with screenshots, video, and a step-by-step replay. Watch it play back exactly as it ran. Navigate, extract, type, click, assert. Each step checked, each assertion passing. This is the Lovable and Kane CLI workflow. Lovable builds it, and Kane CLI proves it works. That's shipping with confidence.